Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of the brand new Jazz Elegance. Now this is the mid-term facelift of this generation of Honda Jazz. Now it does still have the same 1.5 self-charging hybrid engine. It does have a little bit more power though, just as a little upgrade. They have given you a few extra horsepowers, but you do get these brilliant 15-inch alloy wheels as standard on the Elegance. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get more of an idea of what the alloys do actually look like. So you do still get your front and rear parking sensors as standard on the Elegance. Now this is the entry level, but still does not lack in any specification whatsoever. So as you can see, you've got the rear parking sensors just there. You've also now got the reversing camera at the top just here. You've still got plenty of room in the tailgate, as you can see, with 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, as the seats do fold flat with this level just here. Walking around the car again, just quickly while I am around the back, you'll notice that the rear bumper has slightly changed from the previous generation of Jazz. But moving into the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car, you do get the grey and black cloth interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. You do still have the magic seat function as well, just to store any taller objects when you are in the car. Jumping inside the front now, as you can see, we've still got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode just there, and then your eCVT gearbox. We've then got your dual climate we've got your climate control in the front, as you can see just there, with your 10-inch display in the middle. This comes with Bluetooth hands-free, FM, Bluetooth audio. As you can see, you've got all your various sources just there. It does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so technically you do still have navigation on this car. You then got a nice bit of additional storage there as well. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, voice assistant, track select, and then your onboard computer controls in the middle. On the right, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and distance control. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, you do still get the digital dashboard, a digital cockpit in the front of the car. So as you can probably tell, even though it is the entry-level model, it does still have plenty of specification in the car. Just showing you the last alloy now. And again, as we come to the front, you can see they have changed the front grille, as you can see just here, and they all have also updated the front bumper, as you can see just there. If you do require any further information on the brand new Jazz, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.